This is like what? Samsung R257AARS. What? Is the model number? It's Nightmare. So this is after we clean it, took about 2 hours. This is not easy as you think. Took about like 2 days to figure it out. You cannot like apply force on it. You might break it. It's very expensive. Even it's hard to put it back. Anyway, it's stupid. The ice was jammed inside. Hard to take it out. Inside that thing. Show this. And it was all over. I don't know why. Maybe because of my friends. Put it back. I'll use hot water and hair dryer. The ice was stuck. I don't know why. It took us 2 hours to clean it. This is really stupid.
The design?
The design is really poor design. I don't recommend buying it. Waste of money.
But if you have it.
If you have it, you're stuck. You cannot do nothing. You have to clean it every time, every week. It's a lot of work. Now to put it back, it's really hard too. I don't know how to do that. This is about 15 minutes to put it back. Thank you very much. This is stupid. Really stupid. Fuck.
You're an engineer, or you're having a problem?
Engineer, you don't need any. Okay. I know. This is really stupid. I know how to. This has to go here and here.
Nope. Still not on.
Stop.